Dandruff? Want to get rid of dandruff overnight? Keep on watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new on this channel, hey, welcome to the family. My name is Esther Ogala, and if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking. In today's video, I would be showing you how to get rid of dandruff as soon as possible. A lot of times when people see dandruff on someone's hair, the next thing that comes to their mind is this person is dirty or probably careless. But that is not always the case. In fact, that is not the case. Let's take a look at what dandruff means, what causes dandruff, and the symptoms of dandruff.
Dandruff is a skin condition that mainly affects the scalp. Now, the causes is unclear, but it is believed to involve a number of environmental factors. Other factors may include oily skin, not shampooing enough, a yeast-like fungus called malassezia, which feeds on oil on the scalp, dry skin, sensitivity to some hair care products. Symptoms include skin flakes on your hair, shoulder, or scalp, and also itchy scalp. According to researchers, males have the higher chance of getting dandruff because they have larger sebaceous glands that produce sebum, which make the scalp oily.
Dandruff can lead to societal and self-esteem problems. So, next time you see someone with dandruff, share this video with the person other than castigating the person. I myself used to have dandruff issues. Yes, don't look at me. Yeah, I used to have dandruff issues. And trust me, it wasn't something that I liked. People make braids and carry braids for like say 1 month, but in my case, reverse is always the case. Like, I do not get to enjoy my braids. When I make my braids, I carried for 7 days or 10 days max. That was the highest I could go because I never wanted to go out with my hair looking unkempt or my hair looking rough somehow, or the idea of just having these flakes all over my hair, because that's how dandruff looks. You make the prettiest hair and the front or the middle or center somewhere there's always something white popping out and it doesn't just sit right at all. So for me, braid wasn't my thing. And to think that I have used almost all the DIYs I saw on YouTube. Hey, from coconut oil to aloe vera, as one that said, take out natural coconut oil, massage it in your scalp, take out aloe vera, open it up, take out the juicy parts, wash your hair with it, and all of those things. The one that even said use aspirin. I'm not saying it won't work for someone else. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying for me it didn't work. It didn't work. And my case wasn't this severe dandruff. It wasn't like this very bad dandruff, but I just didn't like it. I don't even know how the dandruff came. I don't know, but I presume that it was from the salon. So if you share combs with anyone, please stop it. That was the only way I had gotten this dandruff, because there was certainly no other way I could get dandruff. I mean, washing my hair was a normal thing, but with this dandruff I had to be washing my hair 4 times, and I do not know how to wash my hair myself. So I always had to go to my stylist, to wash my hair and all of those things. Is it stylist or hairdresser? One of those things. So the guy was cashing out on a steady. Like, he literally will call me and say, "Auntie, how far? When you dey come? Shey na tomorrow, me I ready for you." Because I mean, paying 500 naira 4 times a week, it was that's 2,000. Just imagine 2,000 every week just to wash my hair. In a month, that probably be 2,000 times 4. That's 8,000. 8,000 in a month. just to wash hair. So I'm telling you, dandruff is not a sweet condition at all. So please and please ensure that you are careful, ensure that you do not take these things for granted. Don't just take it lightly. As little as taking your cutting comb or your comb to the salon is helpful. It is important that you do this. So recently I went to see my mom and she offered to make my hair, and the dandruff these things started, and she referred me to her hairdresser and I went. Voila! I didn't even have to talk too much. The hairdresser just gave me this. Guys, I don't know if you can see it. It's not focused well. I just will tell you the name. It's called Kakatin. I have never seen this before. Trust me, when she gave me this, I was like, what rubbish is this? Did I come here to do some local stuff and all of those things? But trust me, this is not the time that you are going to be thinking of foreign or local, because I had used a lot of shampoos, local and international shampoos. I would be sharing those shampoos. They helped. Yeah, they really helped. I will be sharing that in the next video. So if you want to know shampoos to use for dandruff, please and please stay tuned. I think I'll share that in the next video, so I don't make this very long. The active ingredients in this hair treatment are mineral oil, lanolin, peppermint oil, menthol, sulfur, and petroleum jelly base. Then the most important ingredient in this hair treatment that I think helped work wonders is lanolin. So lanolin is gotten from sheep. This lanolin helps tackle dry scalp and makes it a bit oily. It helps your scalp generate adequate oil. Enough, dandruff is actually on your hair because your scalp is dry. And menthol, this is another ingredient that is very essential in treating dandruff. Even when you're purchasing shampoos or leave-in conditioners for your hair, if you have dandruff, you should ensure that there's menthol. You do not want to go for normal leave-in conditioner, because no, you're not normal. What you need to do with this hair treatment is just massage it into your scalp, and that's it. My reviews on this hair treatment, it is not biased, it is not sponsored, it is my thoughts. Like, I didn't see reasons to keep this thing with me. I needed to share, because I know that there are a lot of ladies, there are a lot of guys who have dandruff, and some of you are not comfortable talking about it. I need you to get through this phase, so that's why I did not think of holding this information, and I had to share it as soon as I used it, and it worked. I hope this video was helpful and someone was able to get something out of it, and you probably know somebody that needs this video. Please and please share, like, comment, and let me know your dandruff stories if you have any. Please and please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, let me know some other content you want me to provide for you. I'm going to see you in my next video, and until then, keep on being amazing, keep on doing you, keep on loving you. Love and light always.